stayed here at the Gray Fox Inn last night in Stowe, and this morning we're going down to the restaurant connected to it to eat some real Vermont pancakes and maple syrup. So we just had a great Vermont pancake breakfast, and now we've come down to Bingham Falls to check it all out.
We're out here at Bingham Falls. Woo!
So after a couple of wrong turns down the Vermont backcountry roads, we finally made it to Sterling Falls Gorge. So now we've traveled back into the normal world of Vermont and are here at Moss Glen Falls.
Y'all having fun?
Connor had to wash them Nikes. They done got a little dirty.
So we've come down the mountain to Stowe Maple Products to get us some real maple syrup that they make right here. So we've come down to what I think is probably the best Vermont tourist attraction, the Ben & Jerry's factory. Yes, we're going to tour the factory and try some ice cream. We're here at
Ben &
Jerry's. We've just left the Ben & Jerry's factory at the top of Vermont, and now we're headed to New Haven, Connecticut at the very bottom of that state. And I think we're going to stop at the Yankee Candle factory along the way. We have made our pit stop here at the Yankee Candle Village in Deerfield, Massachusetts. And they have basically any Yankee Candle thing you could ever dream of. It's pretty ridiculous. So we just thought this was one of the Yankee Candle Village stores, but actually this is the Yankee Candle Flagship store, as in the very first Yankee Candle. So I mean, how amazing is that? While watching Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives a couple weeks ago, we saw this neat little pizza place here in the Little Italy district of New Haven, Connecticut. And so today, we've decided to come check it out. Frank Pepe Pizzeria.